What is a smart sous vide precision cooker?
A smart sous vide precision cooker is a device that heats water to a precise temperature and circulates it, allowing you to cook food in vacuum-sealed bags. Using smart connectivity, often via an app, you can control and monitor cooking from your phone. This ensures consistent, restaurant-quality results with minimal effort for meats, vegetables, eggs, and more.
How do you set up your smart sous vide cooker?
Setting up your smart sous vide cooker is simple. Attach the cooker to a large pot or container filled with water. Connect the device to your home Wi-Fi or Bluetooth using the manufacturer's app. Follow the app instructions for pairing. Once connected, use the app to set your desired temperature and cooking time. Allow the device to preheat the water before adding food.
What food preparation steps are needed?
Preparation is key for sous vide success. Season your food as desired, then place it in a vacuum-sealed or resealable freezer bag. Remove as much air as possible by vacuum sealing or using the water displacement method. Sealing helps prevent floating and ensures even cooking. For best results, use bags made for sous vide to handle the prolonged heat.
How do you start cooking with the sous vide?
Once the water is preheated, submerge the sealed food bag, making sure it is fully underwater and not blocking the water flow. Use the Smart app to adjust temperature and set the timer, or follow recipe guidelines. The app can alert you when your food is done. After cooking, finish meats with a quick sear in a hot pan for flavor and texture.
Are there safety tips and cleaning steps to remember?
Safety and cleanliness matter. Always cook food to recommended temperatures for safe consumption. Avoid leaving cooked food in lukewarm water for long periods. After cooking, unplug the device, dry it, and clean the heating coil and any exposed parts as directed by the manufacturer. Proper care keeps your cooker working efficiently for years to come.